Hi loves, Halloween is just around the corner. Was that a ghost? Maybe it was. Okay, well, I just wanted to share with you some Halloween looks inspiration. So aside from this look, which was very simple, and I created it using a spider stamp from the last video, and then I just threw in a witch hat, I did some more interesting looks this month, both lip arts and full face looks. So let me just move aside and show them to you. And also you can recreate all of these looks, because for most of them the tutorials have already been posted to YouTube, and for some of them they're still in the making but will be added before Halloween. I have a playlist link down below where you will find all of them together. First of all, we have the lip art looks, the Halloween lace lip art, which is kind of more neutral, but in Halloween colors, orange, purple and green, and of course with some black lace above it. Then we have Halloween in Kittyland, because did you know that kitties started celebrating Halloween long before humans? But they just pretend to be sleeping all the time and distracting our attention, and when you aren't looking, they're sneaking out, dressing up as ghosts and kitty pumpkins and celebrating Halloween. And that's to represent that. Next up we have the Beetlejuice lip art. I love Tim Burton movies, I love the Beetlejuice movie, and obviously I had to do a lip art with that. For the next look I first painted the nails, which also have their tutorial. And then I painted the lips with rainbow pumpkins, because why not? Halloween looks don't have to be just dark, they can also be colorful and rainbow. Speaking of which, there was also a spider web on a rainbow background, and there is also a surprise lip art look which is coming to my Instagram on the 31st on Halloween itself, and which is a collab with a lot of other artists. So you don't just get to see one Halloween look, you will see a tone, and I'm sure all are going to be awesome. You won't regret it. Just stop by on the 31st and check it out. Next come the full face looks, which you can say I'm more focused on the eyes. So first of all, the creepy floral clown makeup. It's floral because there are also flowers inside these clown designs. Then comes the sea monster, which took a little bit more time than I had thought, but it was totally worth it. You can watch the tutorial and recreate one like that, maybe in different colors, maybe make it, more purple and black like Ursula, why not? I was kind of inspired by the Pirates of the Caribbean, not by someone in particular there, but just like by the whole vibe. So it's something maybe like a siren or maybe like a kraken, and it's also kind of a pirate because of that. So, a mixture of all these things. And we're not done with the rainbow pumpkins yet. I was so inspired by this that I created a full face look. For that I have a long video tutorial. Well, not super long, but I mean very detailed, where you can see everything close up, and that will really make it way easier to recreate. And let me just mention a couple of favorites from previous years. So the spiderweb 3D lip art tutorial, and this rainbow witch with spiderwebs on her eyes tutorial. It's an old one, but I think it's really pretty easy to recreate and very Halloweenish. Let me know what you are wearing for Halloween and which of these looks was your favorite. I hope that I could give you some ideas and inspiration, or at least some entertainment, and happy Halloween! See you in my next video. Bye!